the young buck, give it a shot. Be careful. Thing runs like a rape tape. I just took it for a rip. Really starts to sing at around 9,000 RPM. Red line's at 12,000 plus. Coppers just came by, but they're our friends, so. The gauges on this thing look pretty badass at night. They all light up really cool. Listen to this. Sounds like a factory race bike. Hit the brakes. Super bright. Try the turn signals, left and right. Super bright custom LED tip. Try the other one. Listen to that exhaust. Like nothing I've ever heard on a 250 before. Here he comes. Sounds like we're at Daytona. Daytona International Speedway. This would be a fun bike to take out for a track day, like a Laconia or Riverside.
Brings out my inner racer. It's been a couple of years since we've been on the motocross track, but this brings it all back for sure. It's fun. It's super easy to whip around in the curves, man.
There you go. That thing hauls a mill.
This thing stops on a dime, turns on a dime.
That's got brand new disc brakes on it, brand new tires, brand new chains and sprockets, pipe, Dynojet Stage 1 kit.
It's detailed by Doc.
Detailed by Doc. There he goes.
Let's see, we bring her in, Ken.
Yeah, let's hear it. Go ahead. That thing's a blast. Very fun bike. Hi, this is Ken Kaplan from Kaplan Cycles on site at New England Motorcycle Museum. And today I have every young person's or young at heart person's dream bike. This is a Ninja 250R. It's the first level of the Ninja bike series. It's full on sport bike design. This one's been customized. I've got a full work order on everything that was done to it. It has a Stage 1 Dynojet kit with the jetting on the carburetor and full stainless exhaust system, 2-in-1 exhaust, and a megaphone muffler. It's not just a slip fit muffler, it's a head pipe too. So this thing sounds like a fire-breathing dragon at 10,000 RPM. Purrs like a kitten at idle, but it's got a nice authoritative note to it. It's also been upgraded to a brand new set of 2017 tires, brand new Arcade gold chain. That's a $120 gold chain on it. It still has the paint on the tires. Literally, it's got about half a mile. I rode it from the detail shop up here. The roads are a little sandy, so there's a little sand on it, but you can see it still has the nubs on it. The color off the hook, love this blue color. It just pops. The gold chain really sets it off. The brand new IRC tires stick like glue, and with the pipe, you're ready to go carve up the canyons or use it as a commuter bike or whatever you want to do. Just to give you an idea of the extent of the work that we did to the bike, we put 21 hours of labor into it. It was completely dismantled. The whole front end came off the bike. The forks were dismantled. New fork seals and fork oil was installed. The entire front end of the bike was off. The tire rim, the rear end of the bike was off. The exhaust system, the carburetors, was just a frame and engine. And we went through everything on the bike. It's been thoroughly serviced. It's ready to go. Then I went to the detail shop. First thing we did is install it has a brand new battery in it, and we checked the compression. It has 200 PSI, which is perfect. The bike has only 3,000 miles on it, 3,342 to be exact, so 3,300 miles. Put brand new spark plugs in it. Then remove the front end, put the brand new fork seals on it, change the engine oil and filter, change the coolant, flush the coolant. We removed and replaced the carburetors. We performed a complete clean and adjustment and the carb jetting kit, jetted for the exhaust system. We cleaned and oiled the foam air filter and reinstalled that, cleaned out the air box. Also disassembled the throttle housing to clean the throttle pipe and handlebar, pressure lube the cables, pressure lube the clutch cable, and adjust all the cable free play. We warmed up the engine, checked the charging system output, which is perfect. Performed the carburetor synchronization with the bike running and the mixture screw adjustment, so you'll hear when it runs beautifully. Sounds awesome with the pipe on it. Checked all the oil and coolant areas, make sure there's no, all levels are perfect and there's no leaks anywhere. Like I said, front end was off, brand new fork seals in both forks. Only one fork seal was leaking, but we did both fork seals as a preventative measure. We also, took the caliper off, degreased, cleaned the caliper, replaced brand new brake pads on there, top of the line brake pads, cleaned the brake rotor, mounted and balanced brand new front and rear tires, replaced the drive chain with a new arcade gold chain and adjusted the slack. Flushed, filled the front and rear brake fluid. It's put on some aftermarket turn signals and did the wiring for that. We put some new bearing fasteners on, checked all electrical functions and test rode it, and it runs like a rape tape. Wait till you'll see in the riding portion of the video, the thing's awesome. Sounds great. They're inexpensive to own, inexpensive to insure, pretty much bulletproof. Kawasaki's had this engine on the market for over 10 years. This is the 2009 model, and it's a proven commodity, 6-speed transmission. Has the disc brakes front and rear, long travel suspension, and a gorgeous blue factory original paint job. Going on the parts list, brand new battery, brand new chain, brand new oil filter, O-ring, crush washers, and drain plug. Brand new Maxima synthetic blend 2050 engine oil. 2 new engine case spark plugs, brand new flow pole O-rings, brand new mixture screw O-rings, brand new oil filter, spring seat washer, brand new exhaust springs with sleeve. It has the 2-in-1 stainless exhaust. Brand new shift lever rubber, brand new Kawasaki premixed coolant, a quart of it. Brand new front and rear IRC tires, a 110 on the front and a 130 on the rear. Brand new EBC sintered brake pads for the front. Brand new fork seals, brand new Maxima 10-weight fork oil, with a heavy-duty fork oil. Brand new 8mm copper sealing washers for the fork dampener, and brand new DOT4 brake fluid front and back. So $658 worth of parts, another $500 for the exhaust, plus 21 hours labor. The total service ticket was $2,963. So this isn't like buying a Ninja from some kid that hasn't done any service on it. You're buying it from a licensed shop who's completely gone through the bike front to back. Everything works great. It's a gorgeous bike. It does have a couple of cosmetic blemishes on it, I'll point out. This side of the tank is in beautiful condition. This side here has one tiny little P-shaped ding in it that is hardly noticeable. The rear cowling back here is in perfect condition. The left side of the cowling over here is beautiful factory paint. I don't see any cracks on this fairing here. Looks mint. On this cowling, there is one small crack right here, or 2 small cracks up here, very common for this model. Has the custom turn signals. Going around the other side of the bike, we see the front fender is in excellent condition. The headlight is excellent condition. The front fender on this side is in good condition. Let's see, what else? Here, this is what I wanted to point out. There is a crack on the fairing on this side right here by the turn signal. That's why the turn signals were replaced. It was dropped on that side possibly, or maybe in the garage something bumped into it, but it scratched the fairing right here. So you have a little scratch, a little beauty mark right there. So, and a small crack in the fairing right here. So that's about it cosmetically on a scale of 1 to 10. From 20 feet, she's a 10. You get up close, there's a couple of small blemishes. The original, this is a 2009 model. These screens are good for 5 or 6 years. I'd probably replace this screen too. You can put a smoke screen on there, or paint this, have this one painted. But it's a $30 piece, so you can put a nice black smoke one on there with badass. So great running bike. That's a Kawasaki, so it's going to be bulletproof. I want to point out I do have the title in hand here, so you'll get a title and a bill of sale from our licensed dealership, Connecticut licensed dealership. So good clean title, and it's in our name right now. We'll sign it over to you. So If you have any questions about the bike, give me a call, please, 860-454-7024. You're buying a bike that's going to be bulletproof. It's a Kawasaki. They're a lot of fun. And with 3,000 miles, this is as good as a brand new bike. It's like buying a brand new bike. It's got no miles on it. So brand new tires and chains, sprocket. The tires weren't even really worn out. They're just, you know, they're original tires, so they start getting hard after a few years. So put a brand new fresh set on for you. So hope whoever buys this has an awesome summer. We ship this bike anywhere on the East Coast for $425 or less. West Coast, you're looking around 700 or so, and in the middle, somewhere less than that. So we can ship it for you, or you can come fly out here to Bradley, pick it up, ride it home. I wouldn't hesitate to ride this thing cross country tomorrow. It's a bulletproof Kawasaki 250 late model bike, so it's like buying a new bike. So good luck bidding on it. God bless America.